Solving mysteries is all about solving problems. You're going to be tackling some mysteries, and in order to do so, you're going to need to become math detectives. You're going to work with our detectives Emma and Will to help them solve the mysteries at hand. First, let's meet our detectives. When you meet Emma and Will, the first thing you notice is how much they look alike. That's to be expected. They're twins. They not only look alike, they often see things in the same way. "I'm the smarter, better-looking one," says Emma, or Will. "No, I'm the one with the brains and the good looks," disagrees Will, or Emma. "No, I am," protests Emma, or Will. "No," replies Will, or Emma. One thing Emma and Will agree on is that they get a jolt from solving mysteries. They've loved being sleuths since they were little kids. I know because that's when I met them. You see, I was their babysitter. My name is Lump. Actually, it's Lawrence. But Lump was about all either of them could manage to say at the time. The name stuck. In fact, it now seems that the Lumpster, Lumpy, or the Lumpmeister and El Lumpo are all easier to say than Lawrence. Whatever, I really don't mind. No matter what they call me, Will and Emma trace their fascination with mysteries to our adventures in babysitting. Together we solved all kinds of nifty little puzzlers and head-scratchers. We solved brain teasers, too, while we were at it. We even unraveled a few enigmas and battled about a conundrum or two. Over time, Emma and Will got pretty good at being detectives. Actually, they've gotten very good. I can say this with pride. Now that they're 13 years old, they're the second and third, or third and second, best detectives in town. They untangle all kinds of naughty dilemmas for all kinds of people. When they get stumped, which doesn't happen but once in a blue moon, mind you, they come to me. Emma and Will have my very private email address and my even more private cell phone number. When they run up against a particularly thorny stumper and are spinning their wheels, they give me a shout. They know that I'm always at hand. No matter how busy I am with my business and other creative successes, I'll toss them the clue they need to get right back on track. They never hesitate to call me. "We don't need to call Lump, do we?" Emma or Will might say. "Nah, Will or Emma might answer. "Yeah, you're right," Emma or Will might agree. "We don't need him," Will or Emma might reply. "Let's call him," Emma or Will might suggest. "Okay," Will or Emma might nod. Anyway, my twin protégés have a nice little detective operation going. Business hours start when homework ends. Emma and Will take telephone calls, emails, letters, postcards, and visits in the afternoons and evenings, and on weekends and school holidays. They use their secret weapon, me, and a big idea. What's the big idea? A deep appreciation of the richness of mathematical ideas. By using a host of problem-solving strategies, some critical thinking and imagination, and solid number sense, Emma and Will solve a multitude of everyday problems that might stump lesser thinkers. This book gives you my recollections of some of Emma and Will's favorite cases. Read them carefully and try your hand at solving them. Maybe you'll even come up with a different solution method than they did. So, wink at yourself in the mirror, nod to yourself confidently, and rub your hands together with anticipation. Clear the room of pesky pets and annoying kid brothers and sisters, then boot up your brain and dive in. Happy sleuthing!